Today's video, we're going to see what you can do if your BlueStacks application is lagging, crashing, or stuck. So the first thing that you can do is when you're in the BlueStacks app, you'll go over here and you'll click on Settings. These are one of the minor fixes that sometimes work as well. You will go to Storage from here in the device option. And when storage loads up, you can free up space. So sometimes due to more space being consumed from BlueStacks, it can lag and it can crash as well, since it's not able to play properly. So you can just go on free up space and you'll be able to delete applications and anything that you don't need. And after that, if it works, it's great. Otherwise, we will move on to the next steps. Now for the next step, you'd have to first close BlueStacks. So if you have it open anywhere, just close it. And now what you'll have to do is you'll have to go right here on your laptop at the show hidden icons option. You'll press on this, and from here you can see BlueStacks. You can see this icon. Double click on this icon, and from here you can see all these options. You'll click on exit. This will basically properly close BlueStacks. It can also, close other processes as well that are proving of harm to BlueStacks. And after this, you can open BlueStacks. If your lagging, crashing problems have stopped, that will mean this works. Otherwise, we will move on to the next step. The next step is running BlueStacks in administrator mode. So you'll go on search first of all, and here you'll just search BlueStacks. Now you can see BlueStacks 5. You'll press on run as administrator. So click on this and then open BlueStacks. And after opening it, if it works, which it should, great. If it still somehow doesn't work, then our last solution for this will be going into Task Manager and ending any BlueStacks related task and then opening it again. So for that, what you'll basically do is that you'll just, in the same search bar, you'll search Task Manager and you'll open Task Manager. Now, after you've opened Task Manager, you will find BlueStacks somewhere here. If you can't find BlueStacks, then that means that you don't have any issue from Task Manager. If you can, what you would do basically, let's say this is BlueStacks, what you would do, you'll press on this, you'll double click and you'll press on End Task. If you find any BlueStacks related thing in Task Manager, you'll click on End Task, and after that, you'll just close your Task Manager. Then you will open your BlueStacks again and BlueStacks should start working. These are the solutions that you can use if you're facing a crashing, lagging, or any stopping problem in BlueStacks. If none of these steps work, then your last solution can be uninstalling and reinstalling BlueStacks. And if it somehow still doesn't work, then your last option will be contacting support, since it could be a technical issue from their side, and if you contact them, they will help you resolve the issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.